My name is Brian Hamlin, and this is the Top Picks Explained. I'm a financial professional with Somerset Wealth Strategies and Annuity FYI. Been with the firm since 2023. One of my specialties is annuities. So what are the top picks? Well, every month our team comes out with the top fixed indexed annuity choices. So you have annuities for growth, annuities that provide bonuses, and annuities that provide income. There's 5 in each category, so that's 15 total. They're broken up into different categories depending on people's needs and goals. So our goal here is just to go through some of the products, the carriers, the features to give you a head start with your research. Now, with these products, it always depends on your specific situation. So something on the list may or may not be the best option for you. Make sure that everything kind of fits your plan. A great way to do that would be starting with the top picks. And then if you like, you can go on our website and you can even sign up to get a list in your inbox at the beginning of each month. And once you've done that, then you can go confer with your financial professional after you get the updates, or you can give us a call at Annuity FYI and speak with myself and our other financial professionals on the team. If you're curious about annuities, if they fit into your retirement plan, and if so, how they fit into your retirement plan, then you found the right video. And make sure you click down below to sign up for the top picks every month.